Transform your Wix website into a booking powerhouse with Wix Bookings in under 90 seconds. First, let's add Wix Bookings to your site. Log into your Wix dashboard and look for the app's market, search for Wix Bookings and click to install it. Once installed, you'll be prompted to set up your first service. Click Create New Service and choose whether you offer appointments, classes, or group courses. For this tutorial, let's create a single appointment service. Now, let's fill in the details. Give your service a clear, descriptive name like 1-hour consultation or massage therapy session. Set the duration of the service and its price. Next, configure your booking settings. This is where you define your availability, the days and times you're open for bookings. You can also set buffer times between appointments, which is crucial for preparation or travel. To gather more information from your clients, you can add custom fields. This is perfect for asking about specific needs or preferences before the appointment begins. Simply click Add Field and choose the type of input you need. Now for the exciting part, adding bookings to your live site. Open your Wix editor on the left-hand menu. Click Add Elements and then select Wix Bookings. Drag and drop the Wix Bookings app onto your desired page. You can now customize the appearance of your booking calendar and decide which specific services you want to showcase on that page. Make it look seamless with your website's design. And there you have it. Your Wix website is now equipped with a fully functional booking system. Customers can easily view your services, check availability, and book appointments or classes directly, all without leaving your site. Streamline your schedule and delight your clients with Wix Bookings. Your all-in-one appointment management solution.